101 species in genus Lycium. Lycium, a thorny affair. I've always been drawn to the unusual, the plants that thrive where others struggle. That's how I first encountered Lycium, a genus of flowering shrubs in the nightshade family, Solanaceae. These aren't your typical garden variety plants. They're tough, often thorny, and possess a unique beauty. Picture them, gnarled branches reaching out, adorned with small, fleshy leaves and delicate, often vibrant flowers, followed by enticing berries. They thrive in arid and semi-arid regions, a testament to their resilience. My fascination with Lycium began with a chance encounter during a hike in the foothills. There, amidst the dry, rocky terrain, I stumbled upon a sprawling shrub laden with bright red berries. Intrigued, I delved into the world of these fascinating plants, discovering their rich history and diverse uses. A global family with diverse roots. Lycium boasts a global presence, with species scattered across various continents. From the Americas to Eurasia, Africa, and even Australia, these hardy plants have adapted to a wide range of environments. This widespread distribution speaks to their adaptability and evolutionary success. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While their aesthetic appeal is undeniable, Lycium species offer more than just visual delight. They play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems, providing food and shelter for various animals. Their berries attract birds and small mammals, while their dense growth offers protection from predators. Humans have also recognized the value of Lycium for centuries. Beyond their nutritional benefits, these plants have a long history of use in traditional medicine. Various species have been employed to treat a range of ailments, from eye conditions to diabetes and even cancer. Modern research is beginning to validate some of these traditional uses, uncovering the potential health benefits of Lycium berries and extracts. A personal connection. My own journey with Lycium has been one of discovery and appreciation. I've cultivated several species in my garden, marveling at their resilience and admiring their unique beauty. I've even experimented with incorporating their berries into my diet, enjoying their tart flavor and potential health benefits. Beyond the practical aspects, Lycium has come to symbolize for me the resilience of nature and the interconnectedness of life. These plants, often overlooked or dismissed as thorny nuisances, hold a wealth of potential and beauty, waiting to be discovered. As I continue to explore the world of Lycium, I'm constantly reminded of the wonders that nature holds. These unassuming shrubs, with their thorny branches and vibrant berries, offer a glimpse into the intricate web of life and the enduring power of adaptation. They are a testament to the beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places.